Today I want to show you a little trick. This is going to add the shutdown, restart, hibernate, any one or all that you choose to your start bar down here, or to another start or another taskbar that I'll show you how to put right here. You could also put them on your desktop or wherever you would like to put them. It's easy enough to go over here and then choose which one of these you want, but it's just fun to have them over here, and sometimes you might want them in a more easily accessed place. To do this, and I will put these in the description below, but to do this you copy this text. This is our shutdown text. Copy it, and what you will do is you find a place that you would like this. If you just want that button and you want it on your desktop, then you simply right click and choose new and shortcut and place it there. But in my case, I want them in a different folder, so I have them here in documents already, and I'll show you how to do this. Now I'll rename it so that it doesn't conflict with this, but you'll see how it's done. Right click, new folder, or new shortcut, and we're going to name, or we're going to paste that in there, and this will be the shutdown, and we'll go to next, and we'll give it a name. Because I already have shutdown in here, I will call this shutdown 2, and we'll finish. Then, and this is the same process no matter where you put it in your computer, or it's on the desktop or wherever. Then we will right click and we go to properties, because we want that shutdown icon. So we'll choose icon. This will come up. Say OK. This comes up. You can see it's got the icon right there. Select it, click OK, apply, OK, and now you have this. Like I said, it's the same thing if you want it over here on the desktop. New shortcut, paste in the shortcut that you copied earlier, and we'll name this shutdown 2 because I already have one. Finish, right click it, properties, change icon, say OK, choose that, and there. So, and it's the same for all of them. You go through each one and do it the same way. You copy this into a new shortcut and go through the process of naming it, changing the icon, and like I said, you can have these simply setting on your desktop wherever you would like, or in my case I want them over here. So what I'm going to do is, because I've already got them in the folder, and you can do the same, you just create this in a folder like I did here called shutdown, and I have them already in there. Right click your taskbar, go to toolbars, new toolbar, and you're going to go to wherever you have those setting. In this case right there, it's in my documents. I'll choose that folder, select folder, and it brings it down here, shutdown, and now you have them setting right there. But what if you want them on the taskbar? I'll show you. Right click, And you can pin to start, pin to task, either one. We're going to pin it to the taskbar, and now it's setting right there. So if you click that once, it will shut your system down. If you don't want it there anymore, simply unpin from taskbar. I will put these shortcuts in the description. And by the way, this works from Windows 8, I know for a fact. Maybe even Windows 7. I haven't tried it in Windows 7. But I originally did this for Windows 8 because their shutdown process was a mess. So, I know it works from there. This is Windows 10. So, I hope that helps. Like I said, really not a necessary thing to do because it is pretty accessible. But just fun. Maybe you want them a little closer to the fingertips, as they say. Right there they are. Log off, restart, shutdown. Or, like I said, you can pin them to this bar down here. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, that share button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And see that little bell icon? Go ahead and hit that too. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you and have a great day.